In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload email list in Freshsales. Start by opening Freshsales and looking at the left sidebar. Click the Contacts tab to go to your contacts area. This is where you can manage people already in your CRM, and it is also where the import option lies. Once you are in the Contacts list view, click the Import Contacts button. Freshsales will ask what kind of file you are importing. Choose either CSV or Excel, depending on what you have saved. As a quick tip, make sure your file has clear column headers in the first row, like name, email, company, or phone, because those headers help during mapping. Next, choose what you want to import. You can import just contacts, or you can import contacts and accounts. Importing contacts only is best when you are focused on individual people. Importing contacts and accounts is useful when your spreadsheet includes company or account details, and you want Freshsales to build those relationships automatically. Now upload your file. You can browse your device to select it, or you can drag and drop the file into the upload area. After the file is uploaded, you will move to the Map Columns step. Here, match each column from your file to the correct Freshsales field. For example, if your file has a column called Email, map it to the Freshsales email field. Take your time here, because correct mapping prevents missing data and keeps your records clean. After mapping, choose your import type. You can create new contacts, update only existing contacts, or create new and update existing. Pick the option that matches your goal, especially if your list might include duplicates. Then handle duplicates by selecting whether Freshsales should skip matching records, overwrite existing data, or update without overwrite. Overwrite replaces existing field values, while update without overwrite generally keeps existing data and fills in blanks. Next, assign an owner. You can assign all imported contacts to one specific user, or map a column in your file to the sales owner field to assign ownership per row. If you use marketing lists, check the option to subscribe contacts to emails only if they have given consent. Finally, click Import Now. Freshsales will process the import and send you an email summary when it is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.